Today's Tuesday, second day of the week, and I am recommitted to getting healthy. I made it my business to get up earlier. I have this really bad habit sometimes of getting up with not that much time to spare and putting myself in a position where I'm having a rush in the morning, which isn't good. I hate my phone's like wobbly. Maybe time to get a new holder for this phone. Anyway, today I said I can't do it. I just can't do it. Would have started yesterday, but I actually had an in-service to go to with one of my coworkers. That went well. It was down in Lakewood, which from my house is quite a while driving. So I ended up getting up yesterday about 6, leaving about 6:30. However, I was able to end my day around 3, so I wasn't too upset about it. And then I went home and took a nap. So all good here. But now that I'm back into like my normal 9 to 5 routine, I just said, let me just start things off the way that I need to be starting them off. And that includes 16 ounces of green tea. I usually can go the entire day without caffeine, and I'll be honest with you, the days that I'm not chugging, mugs of coffee, and this is with or without creamer, it just doesn't matter, I feel a lot better. I feel way, way better. I need to get an oil change. My car's up to like 75,000 miles. There's a breaker. My car's up to 75,000 miles, and it's just that time to do some routine maintenance. This camera trap. Anyway, I have lots of schoolwork to do. Sunday night, I wrote most of my notes, and then yesterday, I read the chapter that I had to do for poli-sci. So I feel like I'm setting myself up to have a really great week as far as like, comprehending the material. Like my little quizzes should just be super easy and everything. I will say one of the pros of online school for sure though is everything's open note. Regardless though, there are a lot of things that you can do online to like give yourself refreshers. So the way they combat like the open note thing is to time it, but honestly, if you read the material, you're finishing these quizzes in like 3 to 4 minutes tops. Turn this blinker off, too. Anyway, so that's what's going on. Today is a schoolwork day. It's gray and overcast. Weekend before last was so nice. I'm just glad that I took full advantage because it is back to looking drab around here. So drab. Yeah. I have this overarching long-term goal of learning how to get at least 7 hours of sleep. Right now I'm averaging 4 to 5 hours of sleep, and I just feel like it just shows all over my face, the amount of sleep that I'm not getting. And I think it has more to do with the fact that I tend to be super distracted. Like I sit and play on my phone, and I just gotta quit that. I can't be anymore. I just can't be. So, yeah, I'm headed to the job site to work another day. Looking forward to seeing my next paycheck. Very excited about that. My boss did say that it was going to be reflected on my upcoming check, and I get paid on the 1st and the 15th, so yeah. This month actually though, we had 3 paychecks in one, so it should be reflected. Actually, we have an end of the month check coming, so yeah, I'm hyped about it. I'm glad that I asked. Closed mouths don't get fed. So I asked. And my rule with these sorts of things is the worst that can happen is they'll say no. And if they say no, you just gotta dust up that resume and get to looking again, you know? Such is life. But anyway, I'm gonna focus on my commute. Finish up this green tea. You know, I'm not trying to have a tea mukbang right now. I'm just trying to finish my tea. Listen to 1 or 2 songs before I get to the job. I'm like a little past halfway there at this point. So yeah, till later.